Corvette Stingray 2020 ZR1. Now, here's what I would do if I was going to spec out one. I would get it in orange. I would get it with yellow brake calipers. I will get with orange interior. See the natural interior. I wonder what this dip is. I would get the rims I put on here. Accessory black Trident spoke with the yellow brake calipers. I don't think bright red would go too well with that. Excuse me. Yeah, see, bright red ain't gonna work. Bright red is just a little too much. Too bad they don't have orange. Maybe get them custom painted orange. But the bright red with the orange, nah. Actually, I would just go with black. Yeah, I would just go with black. Yep, I think that's the way to go right there. So this is how I would spec one out. I would spec it with the wing, which makes me love the back more, because I still think that looks like a Camaro, but hey, deal with it. And I get the orange interior. And I don't think there's any other color I would like. Let's see, what about a black one? Yeah, I don't think the black is really getting it justice. When you look at it on here, it's not popping, but I bet you when you actually see one. But I wouldn't get another black car. My black Corvette was just ridiculous to keep clean. And then the swirls got in it so easily, it was just too much. Yeah, so I would either go with the orange configured like this. I mean, to me, that's really, really loud. That's really, oh yeah. Hell yeah, I would go with the orange. Yeah, I would go with the orange. I think I went with I would spec out with the engine accents. But I don't really know if that's necessary. But yeah, that orange is popping. Shit, that orange is popping. And I'll be honest with you, this is way out of my character for a car. Way out of my character. But I would, if I was gonna get one, I would definitely spec it out just like this. Yep, I don't think there's any other rims that you could put on it. Maybe go with these. I mean, those are cool. but you're probably better off just going with accessory black Trident spoke. These are carbon flash open spoke. I don't know if any of these other rims would really go good with this. No, that's definitely not gonna work. Yeah, that would probably work. Let's see. Yeah, I would probably either this ram or this ram. I don't think anything else is gonna really work with this orange. There's not much of a difference. Damn. Whoo. Whoo, that kind of pops right there. Yeah, that kind of pops right there. But yeah, you gotta go black. If you're going orange, you gotta go with the black. Yep, that would be my spec right there. Holy crap, that would be my spec. Yes, yes. As my sisters would say, yes. Oh shit, that thing is a beast. That thing is a beast. I actually do like the rear now. I mean, it only goes Camaro like right up in here. The rest of this, yeah, it's different and it's appropriate for the car. But I'd have to have the wing. Yeah, that right there is beast. Without a doubt, that's a beast. So the engine is red actually. Yeah, that's a beast. Yep. I mean, I would second guess the orange seats because of trying to keep them clean would probably be an issue. So I think you could probably get by also with black. You don't want red stitching, yellow stitching. Why you don't have an orange car but you don't have orange stitching? Yeah, so I would probably just go with those seats. Oh, did she down me? No, she didn't down me. Oh, let's see what she looked like. How can I get exterior? Oh, let's go full view. I want to go. Can I go? Let me see what it looked like with the black. With the black seats in it. Oh wait a minute, I don't want to change the color. Yeah, orange with the black seats. I mean, it doesn't say, oh shit, here I come, but you definitely still kicking it with the black seats. Put the roof back on this bad boy. See what that looks like. Oh yeah, the black seats is cool. You ain't fancy pantsy, but that's still a beast. Man, orange is the way to go. Yep. That orange is the way to go. I And I bet you orange, this kind of orange probably doesn't really, let's see, what kind of orange is this? Sebring orange tint coat with an asterisk beside it. That must mean it's extra. Yes. I wouldn't even need to look at anything else. This is the way I would go. Let's see, red, what it would look like red. That's badass. Long Beach red metallic. That's badass. Yellow. See, the thing about going with the black, oh, what did I say about yellow cars? Shit. Oh man, that is popping. Wow, that's popping. But the thing about black rims is that you go with anything, just about. I know this blue is probably gonna send me off the rails. Shoot me. Oh, that's even better. Jeez. Oh, I would have to go with the red brake calipers. Oh, kill me. Kill me. That is the bomb. Whoo, that's a beast. Okay. It's between that and the orange. That right there is bad. Holy crap, that's bad. Sheesh. And then inspect the interior seats out with the black trim. With the red trim. Yes, come to Papa. Aftermarket black tips. Yes, come to Papa. Black this out. Oh yeah. Black tinted windows. And buy extra roof. So you can have the clear roof, the glass roof. Damn, that's a beast. This is the blue. What color blue is this? Elkhart Lake Blue Metallic. Wow. I just gotta tell you, man, they did this. Oh yeah, it looks even better with that roof. Yeah, they killed this car. They killed this. This car is brutally cold. Yeah, I would probably just go with this. I'm not going to put that on there now, though. So a blue one or an orange one. Wow. Elkhart Lake Blue. I think they got blue trim seats, don't they? You can get two-tone seats. Oh, you can even get the seatbelt color change. Well, you know you got to go with a red seatbelt. You're gonna get the blue. Oh yeah. Don't put that red. Put the red seatbelts on there. Damn. Alright, so I would spec it out either blue with the red or orange. Of course, right now I'm not specking anything because brother trying to get this house, and I don't really need another car, to be honest with you. I got a car and a truck already. I'm good. But I would not be surprised to see some kind of Corvette. And to be honest with you, I had been thinking about getting like a C7 Z06 used. But shit, man, if you're gonna spend money to get one of those, and this car is, let's just say $60K for the base, probably configured like this, you in the 75, high 70s or more. If you're gonna pay $40,000 for a Z06 or $50,000 for a Z06 C7, I think a lot of people that's in the Corvette market got a lot of decisions to make. But for me, if I was just got to have a Corvette, I would go ahead on and get one of these. I'd get the C8 and, you know, just deck it out. I mean, shit, you only live once. If you just got to have a Corvette, why not get the latest and greatest Corvette if you're going to get a Corvette? But that's my take. That's my spec. I would either go with this or I would go with this. And of course, change the interior and change the brake calipers. Interior colors would be this. And oh, you can go with orange. Well, hell, I go with orange. Seatbelt. Whoo! Whoo! That, you know what, man? I'm not a GM fan. After my little foray with the C7. But with this car, yeah, they could get my money. I don't know if I would buy a new one. Yeah, I'm kind of on the fence about it, because I definitely got a love-hate. Oh man, this is tight right here. But I definitely got a love-hate relationship with GM. But this car is, if this car is reliable and everything is good on it, they killed the game with this. Yeah, they're gonna pull in a lot of people that like Ferraris, and I think, and the other rear engine sports cars, because this is pretty close to as an exotic as the average man can get. And you throw that Z06 in there, or whatever else they're gonna make, the high performance model that comes after this base model, you're gonna snag a lot of people that drive the really exotic cars. And the aftermarket for this thing is gonna be ridiculous. I could see some people really tricking this out more than it is. But that's my little video. That's how I would spec mine out, either the orange or the blue. Let me see your spec. What would you spec yours out? In any case, thanks for watching, and you know, like, subscribe, and comment, please. Good job, GM.